Who is better to fly on, U.S. Airways or American Airlines? Two of the top four brands in the airline industry today. Many of you probably wonder, how can you compare these two airlines together since they've announced that they are now merging as one airline? Well, that's simple. Even though that they are going to merge as one airline, it will not be official till the end of this summer. So on paper, they are still considered two separate airlines. The purpose of my speech today is to let you know how U.S. Airways is better than American Airlines in three distinct fields: customer service, on-time and departure delays, and cancellation ratios. The reason I can talk to you about this is because I've now been almost 2 years working for both airlines at Gulfport International Airport. My first main point is going to be customer service. According to the dress code of professional conduct in the U.S. Airways Handbook, you must always come to work in uniform before clocking in. If you do not do that, you will get an occurrence and be sent home. And that's it. Also, this action is to be taken because, in theory, if you come to work in proper dress, it looks professional, and also more people will approach you for help instead of coming in and looking at you in a pair of blue jeans and a t-shirt. Also, the Department of Transportation issues what they call an Air Travel Consumer Report every 3 months. This report compiles information on customer satisfaction on the top four airlines. U.S. Airways was in second place with a 1.27% of 100,000 people. So basically that means that they had a complaint out of 1.25 people for every 100,000 people that flew on their airline. American Airlines had a 1.9% in fourth place. Also, U.S. Airways has a report that they take from the ATCR called the Triple Play. Basically, this is a bonus that we get for our customer service, baggage, and our cancellation delays. What they do is they rate all four of our airlines and which one's the best. U.S. Airways was in number 2. American Airlines came in number 4. My second main point is going to compare U.S. Airways and American Airlines with the on-time arrivals and departures. According to flight status, data compiled in October 2013, U.S. Airways for on-time arrivals and departures ranked 11th out of 35 North American airlines. American Airlines ranked 24th. Also, the Air Travel Consumer Report that I stated that came out in December 2013 ranked U.S. Airways as number 2 in the country for on-time and departures. Overall, American Airlines was in third place. Today, as of January and March numbers, U.S. Airways is in number 5 and American Airlines is in number 9.
Going down.
Airline Quality Rating of 2013 report, which is also issued by Professor Bowen of Purdue University and Professor Hadley of Wichita State University, states that the AQR report shows that U.S. Airways overall has a rating of a negative 0.87. Basically what this means is that they take all the numbers in effect of the cancellations, delays, and on-time departures and give you a rating. The best rating overall is a 0. Being a negative 0.87 is actually pretty good compared to where they were before, being almost a 0.2. Also, American Airlines ended up being a negative 1.27. My third point, and the most crucial of all, is cancellations. Everyone hates cancellations when you fly on an airplane. You can never get anywhere you need to be, and it always holds you up. U.S. Airways reported on the ATCR that in February, out of 34,000 flights, only 1.5% of them were canceled. American Airlines was 6.5% out of 45,000. This month, that shows in January, report states that U.S. Airways was 3%, which it did go up, but that was because of the winter storm that came across, out of 34,000. And American Airlines went to 3.5. They actually shrunk down because of it. These numbers reached such high levels, as I stated, was because of the storm, and also that with the merger going on, all the flights and everything, they're having to work out the numbers and everything in the destinations. Also, cancellations of the flight affect customer service ratings, which goes back to the customer service, as I stated before, which makes those numbers go up as cancel flights, because, of course, everybody gets upset when you can't get on your plane and go where you want to go. In conclusion, I hope I shed a little light on why you should pick U.S. Airways over American Airlines. I've discussed how U.S. Airways on-time departure numbers are better than American Airlines, how the cancellation numbers are lower, and how we provide better customer service numbers per every flight we do. I feel qualified to explain this material to you because of my employment with the airline, and also the fact that now I am considered the safety manager. The new information, as of today, the ATCR came out for March, which is January's numbers. As I stated, it shows that U.S. Airways is in 5th position out of 24 airlines. American Airlines dropped back down to 9. Overall, with the merger, we're number 3. I hope this helps you pick U.S. Airways over American Airlines.